In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop files from going to OneDrive. We're going to turn off OneDrive's automatic backup and auto-save features so new files stay on your computer instead of uploading to the cloud. Start at the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon. It may be white or blue. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons and it should appear there. Click the OneDrive cloud to open its panel. Next, open the settings menu by selecting the gear icon. A small menu will appear. Choose Settings again to open the full OneDrive settings window. This two-step settings path is normal, and it ensures you're adjusting the app's full configuration, not just quick options. In the settings window, go to the Sync and Backup section. Here, click Manage Backup. You'll see the folders OneDrive commonly backs up automatically, like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. Turn each of these off. This stops new and changed files in those folders from syncing to OneDrive going forward. If a confirmation prompt appears asking to stop backing up those folders, confirm. Note that switching these off does not delete anything already in OneDrive. It only stops future uploads. Existing files you previously synced will remain in your OneDrive until you move or remove them yourself. While you're still in sync and backup, locate the options related to photos. Turn off the setting to automatically save photos to OneDrive. This prevents images imported from cameras, phones, or other devices from being uploaded by default. Right below that, turn off the option to automatically save screenshots to OneDrive. With this disabled, screenshots will stay local on your PC instead of going to the cloud. After you've turned off folder backup, photo saving, and screenshot saving, OneDrive will no longer automatically collect your files. New files you create will remain on your device, typically in your local desktop, documents, and pictures folders. If you rely on backup, consider setting up an alternative, such as an external drive or another backup solution, so you still have a safety net. A quick recap: open the OneDrive icon from the taskbar, go into Settings, head to Sync and Backup, select Manage Backup, and switch off the backups for your main folders. Then disable the autosave options for photos and screenshots. That's all you need to keep files from automatically going to OneDrive while maintaining full control over what stays local.